So today we are going to learn about software development lifecycle. So like I said in my earlier session that software development lifecycle is a framework defining tasks performed at each step in the software development process. Now there are different phases in a software development lifecycle. There is requirements phase, then there is design phase, development phase, testing phase, and maintenance phase. So these phases are the typical phases in a software development lifecycle. Whenever a project is executed in any particular methodology that falls within the software development lifecycle, maybe it's waterfall, iterative, or incremental model, they all are part of your software development lifecycle. Now these phases signifies the set of tasks that are performed within a software development lifecycle. Like requirements and design falls under the business analyst. So business analysts are the owner of this two phases. Now development phase is the accountability of the development team. Similarly, QA is accountable for the testing phase, and maintenance and support are again part of your, it's a collaborative ownership wherein all the change requests are handled by the business analyst, and once the change request requirements are freeze, they are moved to the development phase. So this is an infinite cycle. I mean, if you consider SDLC, wherein you are implementing the project in agile way, this is an infinite cycle. If you consider it as waterfall model, the phase would start from here: the requirement phase, design phase, development phase, testing, maintenance. Then whatever change request would come, again it would go through your requirement, design, development, testing, and maintenance. Like I said in my earlier session, the waterfall approach is the most longest approach, wherein the project executes for around, say, minimum of 1 year. And then came your incremental model, then came your iterative model, then came agile, then came DevOps model, which considerably reduce the delivery time frame of a particular project.